So when we're checking out the foot length right here, and what I'm finding is both feet have a little bit of inversion right here of the ankle. It's just telling me there's cord tension on both sides, but this left side, this left foot is shorter than the right foot. Take them together and also stay short when we go up. So that can be indicative of an anterior inferior sacrum on this left side. As I'm palpating the sacrum, I can also verify that. So there's a slight rotation component as well as a posterior component on this right side, making the left side more of an anterior inferior sacrum. So Chloe, I'm just going to have you take a deep breath in right here to your sacrum. Good, all the way out. I'm going to contact the sacral tuberous ligament, which is a ligament that runs from your sacrum to your ischial tuberosity, and that is directly connected with your parasympathetic nervous system. The pelvis is also rocked posterior right here. Okay, deep breath in, that all the way out. Letting this come forward. Here we go. Nice. This block has a fulcrum to really be able to create a lot of extension right here. Okay, cross breath in. Let that breath all the way out. Taking it right here. Actually, right there. Let your head come back. There we go. So other spots that we were talking about and have already checked out with Chloe. It's her upper back. It's really tight. She starts to shallow breathe and holds a lot of tension right in here. Right? Mm-hmm. Checking these upper ribs. I'm going to rotate you over here to me. Okay, in the back. Good. Breath in. All the way out. All the way. C5 here on the left, bilateral. So bilateral adjustments, you can hear it clearing from the posterior and then also the anterior on the other side. As opposed to if it was unilateral, it's just one side. More or less for unilateral on the right, and drop this right shoulder, just relax on it. One.
That was great.